high call series.
So children, up to now we have practiced and we have learned how to write the tables. That is a table of 2, table of 3, table of 5 and a table of 10. Now we are going to exercise for that is we will practice some multiplications which are right. We can write the answers for this multiplication by using tables. So children, look at the screen. Multiply and find the product. Multiply and find the product. So children, look at the screen. We have there are given so many multiplications and we will practice some multiplications among these. So look at the first multiplication. 1 into 2 is equal to how much? So children, first listen carefully how we have to read this. This symbol can be read as into and this into is the symbol for multiplication. So look at the first one. 1 into 2, that is 1 2s are. Children, 1 2s are how much? 1 2s are 2. So write 2 in this box. And see the second one. So 9 into 5 is equal to. That means 9 5s are. Children, 9 5s are how much? 9 5s are 45. So write 45 in this box. And see the third one. That is 4 into 5. That is 4 5s are. Children, 4 5s are how much? 4 5s are 20. So write 20 in that box. So now see the next multiplication. So that is 2 into 3 is equal to dash. That is 2 3s are. So children, this is the table of 3. Already we have learned the table of 3. So that is 2 3s are 6. So write 6 in this box. And see the next one. 3 into 5. That is 3 5s are. So children, this is the table of 5. So in the table of 5, so 3 5s are how much? 3 5s are 15. So write 15 here. And see the next example. That is the next multiplication. That is 2 into 2. That means 2 2s are. So this is the table of 2. In table of 2. So 2 2s are how much? 2 2s are 4. So write 4 in that box. And children, see the next one. That is 4 into 2 is equal to dash. That is, this is the table of 2. Children, so this is the table of 2. In the table of 2, 4 2s are how much? 4 2s are 8. So write 8 in this box. And see the next one. So 3 into 2 is equal to how much? So this is also the table of 2. So in the table of 2, 3 2s are how much? 3 2s are 6. So write 6 in this box. And see the next multiplication. So that is 9 into 10 is equal to. That means 9 10s are. So children, this is the 10th table. That is 9 10s are 90. So write 90 in the box. So children, see the next one. So that is 8 into 2 is equal to dash. That is, it is also the second table. So 8 2s are how much? 8 2s are 16. So write 16 in the box. And children, see the next one. So here 10 into 5 is equal to how much? So this is the fifth table. That is 10 5s are how much children? 10 5s are 50. So write 50 in the box. Children, see the next one. So that is 5 into 2 is equal to dash. That is, this is the second table. That is the table of 2. In table of 2, 5 2s are how much? 5 2s are 10. So children, so these are the some example problems, some practice multiplication we have done on the basis of tables. So all these multiplications are based on tables. That is the table of 2, table of 3, table of 5 and table of 10. So if you learned all the tables, you can write the answers for these multiplications very easily. So that's why children, so read and by heart the tables thoroughly first. And there are some more problems here and practice the remaining problems at your home as a homework. So children, so this is about the chapter multiplication. So in this chapter, we have learned what is multiplication and what is the meaning of multiplication and what is the symbol used for multiplication and how to convert the repeated addition into multiplication. And in this chapter, we have also learned about 4 tables. That is the table of 2, table of 3 and table of 5 and also table of 10. And also practice some multiplications on these tables. So these are the topics in this chapter multiplication. Now we will go to the worksheet. So in this worksheet, we will practice some exercises and we will practice some problems on the concepts up to now we have discussed in the chapter. So children, go to the worksheet. So look at the worksheet. Match the kite with the correct reel. So children, so if you observe the screen, so they have given some kites. How many kites are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kites are there. And the reels for each kite are given on the right side. The reels, that means the reels of thread which helpful to fly the kites. The reel contains thread and the thread will be helpful to fly the kites. Now we have to match the reels to correct kite. We have to match these reels to the correct reel or we have to match the kite with its correct reel. That means what reel we have to choose for the first kite and what reel we have to choose for the second kite. So in this way, we have to match the correct reel for each kite. So children, so look at the first kite. So if you observe the first kite, so in the first kite you are observing the number 5 is there. That is 5 plus 5 plus 5. That means the number 5 is repeated 3 times. The number 5 is added 3 times. So it can be converted into multiplication as how? So how can we convert this into multiplication? That is the number 5 is added 3 times. That is 3 times 5 or 3 groups of 5. So where is the real 3 groups of 5 or 3 times of 5? So if you consider the reals, where is the real 3 times 5? So here is the real 3 times 5. So this is the correct reel. This is the correct reel which will be matched with the first kite. So match this reel with the kite first kite. So children, so see the second kite. So in the second kite, you are observing the number 2 added how many times? So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That means the number 2 is added 4 times. That means the number 2 is added 4 times. That means 4 times 2 or 4 groups of 2. So what is the correct reel for this kite? So where is the reel that is 4 times 2? So children are 4 into 2. 4 times 2 can be converted into multiplication as 4 into 2. Where is the reel 4 into 2? So here is the rule 4 into 2. So match the second kite with this reel. So this is the correct reel for the kite 2. So children, see the third kite. So here in the third kite, we are observing the number 4 and it is added 2 times. That is 4 plus 4. So this is added 2 times 4 plus 4. That means 2 times 4. That means 2 times 4. Or if you convert this into multiplication, we can write it as 2 into 4 because there are 2 times 4. So where is 2 into 4? Children, that is 2 groups of 4. So that means, so 4 plus 4 means The 4 is repeated 2 times and it can also be read as 2 groups of 4 or 2 times 4 or 2 into 4. So any of these can be written for the kite 3. So where is the 2 groups of 4? So children, where is the real 2 groups of 4? So here is the real 2 groups of 4 and this is the correct real for third kite. So children, see the fourth one. So in the fourth kite, we are observing the number 3 added 4 times. That is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So the number 3 is added 4 times. That means 4 times 3 are 4 groups of 3 or 4 into 3. Any of them can be written for the fourth kite. So where is the correct real for the fourth kite? That is 4 times 3 or 4 into 3. So where is the real 4 into 3? So here is the real 4 into 3. So this is the correct real for the fourth kite. So children, so in this way we can convert the repeated addition into multiplication. And this is the matching on the multiplication. And there is one more kite and practice the one more kite at your home or try to match the fourth, that is the fifth kite with the correct real. And there is the remaining, so this one. So ultimately, this will be the answer for the fifth kite. So that is 5 groups of 8. So children, so this is the matching in the worksheet. Let us go to the next part in the worksheet. So children, look at the worksheet. Multiply and find the product. Multiply and find the product. Here, they have given some multiplications. So how can we write the answers for these multiplications? So if you get the tables, that means if you get the table of 2, and if you get the table of 3, if you get the table of 5, and if you get the table of 10, you can easily write the answers for these multiplications. So all the multiplications will be based on tables and we will use the tables while writing answers for the multiplication. So read thoroughly tables and get by heart the tables, then you can easily write the answers for these multiplications. So look at, see, the first multiplication, 1 into 2 is equal to, that means 1 2's are, 1 2's are how much, children? This is the second table. So in table of 2, 1 2's are 2. So write 2 in this box. And see the next one. So this is also table of 2. That is 6 into 2 is equal to, that is 6 2's are. 6 2's are, children, how much? 6 2's are 12. So write 12 in this box. And see the next multiplication. That is, this is also table of 2. That is 4 into 2 is equal to dash. That is 4 2's are. 4 2's are, children, how much? 4 2's are 8. So write 8 in this box. The same way, see the next multiplication. So 7 into 3 is equal to. So here, this is the table of 3. So in table of 3, 7 3's are how much? 7 3's are 21. So write 21 here. And see the next one. So 2 into 3 is equal to dash. That means this is also the table of 3. In table of 3, 2 3's are how much? 2 3's are 6. So write 6 in this box. And see the next one. So that is, the next one is 3 into 3. So this is also table of 3. In table of 3, 3 3's are how much? 3 3's are 9. So write 9 in this box. And children, so go to the next multiplication. If you see the next multiplication, here 8 into 5. So this is the table of 5. So in table of 5, 8 5's are how much? 8 5's are 40. 8 5's are 40. So write 40 here. And see the next one. So 3 into 5 is equal to. That means 3 5's are. So children, this is the table of 5. In table of 5, 3 5s are 15. So write 15 here. And see the next one. So 5 into 5. So that is, this is the table of 5. So in table of 5, 5 5s are how much? 5 5s are 25. So children, so in this way we can write the answers for the multiplications. So if you get the tables, then you can easily write the answer for the multiplication. So in the first row, so these are based on the table of 2. In the second row, so all these are tables of 3. And all these are table of 5. And the last row is, this is the table of 10. So practice these problems at your home. So there are 3 problems for you, which are based on table of 10. And read the table 10 thoroughly and write the answers for these 3 multiplications at your home as a homework. So children, so this is the worksheet and these are the concepts and topics we have discussed in this chapter. And so this is the end of the chapter and the next chapter will be continued in the next episode.